Hello YouTube viewers, today I'm going to be unboxing the Joying 7-inch double din car stereo. I purchased this unit on Amazon.ca for $318. When it got to my house I have to pay an additional import fee of $33 and change. You can also order this unit from their official website for $317. I'm not sure if there's going to be import fees to that. Also, I believe it's going to be US currency and not Canadian currency. Also, if you order from their official website, you have a choice of being shipped from the European warehouse for an additional cost of $40 or ship it for free from their Chinese warehouse. From the order date to the delivery date, it took 9 days. The shipping was handled by DHL Couriers. Alright, so I've already gone ahead and opened up the box already. Pretty much what you see here is what comes out of the box. We'll go through each item one by one. So over here you have your greeting card from them, Bluetooth pairing guide, and your install and wiring guide. Here you have two external antennas for your 4G network for cellular data. Your front bezel, external microphone, mounting screws. This would be your external GPS antenna here. Comes with a 20-pin connector. It also comes with ISO connectors as well. And you have two USB cables and the main head unit itself. Now the head unit comes with a 7-inch screen. It's got your built-in microphone here, micro SD card reader, power on and off button, home button, volume up and down, and your reset button. On the top it shows the wiring connection guide again. In the back you have this would be your SIM card reader for your 4G network if you want to hook up data to it. These three here would be for your external antennas. Right here would be your radio antenna hookup, your microphone, two USBs. This row here is for your backup cameras, and here are all your amp hookups. You got your 15 amp fuse, 20-pin connector. This right here would be your optical output. Various other connection ports or wires, and I believe these are your Wi-Fi antennas right here. And that's all there is to this main unit. This head unit is run on Android 10 with a 1.8 GHz 64-bit octa-core processor. It has 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage space. It's capable of hooking up to a 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi network, and it's also capable of hooking up to a 4G cellular data network. This head unit features Bluetooth 5.1, wired or wireless Apple CarPlay, and wired Android Auto. It also has a built-in DSP so you can fine-tune your sound. You can hook up your factory steering wheel control with a stereo. However, you may need an interface to make this option work, depending on the model of your vehicle. You can get the full detailed specs on this head unit on their website at joyingauto.com. So with all the features you get, this unit by far is the most affordable compared to the big name brands. And this concludes the unboxing of the Joyang 7-inch double DIN universal head unit. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.